Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. SQL Server running, Visual Studio 2012 with data tools installed, and TCP/IP enabled. Open SQL Server Configuration Manager, enable TCP/IP, then restart the SQL service so Visual Studio can discover the instance. Next, note the instance name and authentication mode, Windows or SQL Server, and create a test login if you need SQL Auth. Once done, launch Visual Studio and prepare to add a new connection from Server Explorer. This moves you from setup. In Visual Studio, open Server Explorer and choose Add Connection to begin connecting. Select Microsoft SQL Server, SQL Client, then type your server name, use, \instance for local. Pick Windows Authentication for integrated security or SQL Server authentication with username/password if required. Choose an existing database or attach an MDF file. Click Test Connection to verify. If it succeeds, press OK. This creates a persistent connection in Server Explorer so you can browse tables, write queries, and scaffold data access directly from the IDE. Once connected, you can explore tables, run queries in Visual Studio, and scaffold entity framework models. To complete, add a connection string to your app. Config or web. Config using the connection created in Server Explorer. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Confirm SQL Browser and SQL Server services are running and that Windows Firewall allows TCP port 1433 or the dynamic port in use. Also verify the instance name and authentication credentials. Make sure the user has database permissions before retrying the connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.